Okay, so this is me emptying my last Bubez mixed powder. Enough water, enough salt. Because I want to use the microwave, I'm not making it a thick paste. I'm going to make it watery, very light consistency. I'll put in my Bubez Pap for 1 minute. You can see that at this point my pap is still watery. I put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. You can see my pap is beginning to form. Nice. So this is what it looks like. After 1.5 minutes, I turn to ensure that everything is mixed properly. And I put it back in for another 30 seconds. The final 30 seconds to make it 2 minutes. This is the last round of 30 seconds. Bubez powder pap gets ready in just 2 minutes. All you need is your microwave, your pack of Bubez Pap, and your water. I know how it feels early in the morning, trying to get the children ready, trying to get yourself ready before you go to work, and you're trying to skip breakfast. This is the answer to breakfast skippers. 2 minutes and my Bubez Pap is ready. If I feel that the consistency is too thick for me, then I can add a little bit of warm water to make it lighter. But this is it. Made from the scratch with the microwave. Voila! Here I have my Bubez Pap ready in 2 minutes, and I can have it just like this. Really, you can have the Bubez strawberry pap with nothing. Heavenly. Or you can try the toppings for a healthy cereal bowl. So I'm going to add some mangoes. I love mangoes. So I'm going to have some mangoes. Then I love grapes. So I'm going to have some grapes. I'm really not such a strawberry fan, so just a touch of it. I love to take my pap with honey, but let's see. I don't need honey in this. I don't need milk. I don't need anything. It's so nice. And there you go. That's it. I would love to see how you try your Bubez Pap. What toppings would you suggest we use next time? Or what toppings would you use? And put it on our page and tag us.